In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Game from Local File Steam Desktop. We'll walk through linking a game that already lives on your computer to your Steam library so you can launch it from Steam, use the overlay, and keep everything in one place. Start by opening the Steam Desktop app on your computer and make sure you're signed in. If you don't see the classic menu bar at the top on Windows, press the Alt key to reveal it. On macOS, the menu is in the System menu bar at the top of the screen. Next, look for the Games menu at the top and click it. This menu includes tools for content that didn't come from the Steam store, which is exactly what we need here since the game files are already on your machine. Now choose Add a non-Steam game to my library. A window will appear showing programs Steam can detect on your computer. If you see the game's launcher listed, check its box. If it isn't listed, click Browse and navigate to the folder where the game is installed. On Windows, select the .exe file you normally use to start the game. On macOS, select the application bundle or the launcher executable. If your game is portable, an emulator, or uses a custom launcher, point Steam to whichever file you double-click to run it. If there are multiple launchers, pick the one that actually starts gameplay rather than a settings tool. Once the correct file is selected, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will create an entry in your library, typically under a non-Steam section. From here, you can launch the game through Steam, take advantage of the overlay, track playtime, and apply controller configurations. If the game requires administrator permissions on Windows, consider running Steam as administrator so the overlay and inputs work properly. And if you ever move the game's folder, just repeat these same steps to point Steam to the new location. A quick note, this process doesn't download or verify anything. It simply links Steam to a game that's already installed. If the game still needs installation, complete that outside Steam first, then come back and add it using these steps.